Cool. All right. Last one.
Last one. Tenfold Engineering's unfolding building prototype. So this is like a house in a box type of situation, except motorized?
Yes.
Oh, this is sick. I want this. This is sick.
So this is, I think, meant for just conferences. Like you could just move it around and then you can build like a little living space.
Well, yeah. You mean like at a convention center or something?
Yeah, something like that.
This is a building that builds itself. Labor and machinery are not required. This is a big space in a small box.
Oh my God! All the furniture and everything's in there too. That's very cool.
Spaces and contents in the way you choose.
Now this is just a concept.
This is amazing.
It's just a concept.
Offices, shops,
Oh, they made one
exhibitions,
though.
Restaurants, workshops, clinics, and schools, and everything else that needs to get there easily.
I really want one of these for over there. That I can just roll, like make a room and then put it away.
Dynamic property asset that you can move again and again.
They call it
It's
a property
strong,
asset.
adaptable, comfortable, and future-proof.
This is
with
tougher
full
to guess
Oh my God.
It's
Yeah,
tougher to
oh
guess
my
the
God,
price
yeah,
on that.
It's
Good luck.
Is
It's-
never redundant.
It's going to cost a
Just
few
fold it
dollars.
away
But you
and
know,
take it
this
with
That's
you.
incredible.
it reminds me of the Elon Musk house. That's a
Business
more
faster, increase opportunity, change lives.
Is
That-
it the size of a
Change
shipping
lives.
Go
container?
where others cannot go, and do
Look like
what
it.
others cannot do.
Yeah, so like in the case with this one, it definitely if it's motorized and has all that stuff in it, it's gonna be cost prohibitive. But like the $50,000 house that Elon is living in, that they assemble on site, like that seems it's like a feasible version of this at a much lower cost.
Right, yeah.
But I'm sitting there thinking, man, you could just like if you had a huge space like ours, you could just pop that thing up, have like a instant music studio or instant conference room or something along these. I like modular things. It's very exciting.
Mm-hmm.
So it sounds like we all agree we all want this one,
Yep.
but it'll just
Yes.
cost us $1 million.
Yeah.
I want
Oh.
this in my house.
Oh, okay. In your house
Yes.
or as your house.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my house and my house.
Yeah.
All right. Great show. Time to go watch heavy metal. Which I can't. Does it count as anime or not? What are the rules?
I'm just excited to see Black Sabbath. I didn't know Black Sabbath plays the music. in
Like,
that.
what are the anime rules? Does anybody know?
Next episode, we'll find out.
On the previous episode.